In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and customize a form for collecting submissions directly through your board. This can be a fantastic way to streamline the intake process for gathering information in a structured and efficient manner. Let's dive right in. First, let's open up your board. Start by navigating to the board where you plan to manage and collect submissions. This is where everything will be organized, so having a clear idea of where you're working is important from the get-go. Once you're in the right place, it's time to add a form view. Look towards the top left corner of your board interface. Here you'll see an option labeled Plus Add View. Click on this to bring up the view options, and from the list, select Form. This will allow you to create a form that fits your specific needs. Now let's move on to customizing your form. Customization is key here, as it ensures the form aligns perfectly with its intended purpose. Begin by editing the form title and description to clearly define what the form is for. This clarity helps respondents understand what information is being requested. Next, select which columns from your board should be included as fields in the form. Each column correlates with a piece of information you want to collect, so think carefully about what is essential. Also, it's important to set certain fields as required. This ensures you gather all necessary information without missing critical details, ultimately making your data collection more effective. With your form all set up, it's time to share it. Head over to the top right corner of your form view, where you'll see the Share Form option. Click on it to generate a shareable link, which can then be distributed to potential respondents. It's an incredibly convenient way to gather responses since they can quickly access the form with a simple click. Beyond that, if you're aiming for even greater exposure or ease of access, consider embedding the form directly on your website using the embed code option provided. This makes it seamlessly accessible to visitors on your site. Once submissions start coming in, the process of collecting responses is remarkably smooth. Each submission will automatically create an item in your board, saving you the hassle of manual data entry. This automation enhances efficiency and allows you to focus on analysis and decision making rather than administrative tasks. To further elevate the organization and management of incoming responses, make use of filters or automation tools offered within your board system. These features help you sort, categorize, and prioritize responses easily so everything stays neat and manageable. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll effectively create a customized form, share it with your audience, and manage submissions efficiently within your board. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.